Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Press. This video guys, I'll show you how to apply different types of eyeliners. So stay tuned guys. Which type of eyeliner you like guys? Just ping that in the comment section below because I mostly love wing liners a lot. So without further ado guys, let's get into the video.
So guys, here I have this Insight liquid eyeliner. It is waterproof. Now let's start. Okay, so first type of the eyeliner, that is simple eyeliner. I'm starting with the middle of my upper lash line and going outward towards my outer V. I'm just making a really thin line near my lash line. Repeating the same step on my other lash line. When you start your eyeliner from the middle of your eyes, it can really make a change in your eye look. Your eyes look pretty bigger than before. This is the final look. This eyeliner look is really simple and really pretty, as you can see, and it looks very natural. It doesn't even look that you had put a eyeliner. Okay, so for second eyeliner look, I'm just continuing the first eyeliner look, and I am making a line from my inner corners and just joining it in the middle of my eyeline. Doing the same step on my another eye. This is the really simple eyeliner look. Like, you can make this simple eyeliner look on the everyday basis. Yes, and it is looking very natural. Like, no one can guess that you are applied eyeliner. Okay, for the next look, I'm just going to continue the same eyeliner again, and I'm just making a thick line on the top of that because I want a thicker and bolder look. So this eyeliner look is really perfect for office going girl because it will give you that professional and decent look. You can see. As you can see guys, it is making my eyes look bigger, and because of this eyeliner look, your eyes never look sleepy at all. So fresh and so professional look. So guys, after office, if you are going to any party or any function, you can just extend the same eyeliner look. As you can see guys, I'm just making a really thin wing outwards and just interconnecting it. Now I'm making a pointed wing because I love wing eyeliners a lot. And here you go. I'm just repeating the same steps on my another eye, as you can see. Guys, this trick is definitely going to save your time a lot because making an eyeliner and removing it will take a lot of time. So this is the final look. As you can see guys, my eyes are looking so beautiful, the thicker and bolder, and they are party ready. So guys, just apply a really bold lipstick with this eye look. So next I'm just creating this really cute eyeliner look. As you can see guys, I'm creating a small line. I'm starting from the outer side of my lower lash line and I'm going inside and making a really small line. Don't make a really big line, just make a really small line. And it's done. And now I'm just repeating the same step on my another eye. just make a really thin line and go inside. As you can see guys, this looks really cute and pretty. This is my favorite eye look. A small thin line can make a really big change in your look. It is just defining my eyes really well. Okay, for the next eyeliner looks, I just clean everything and I'm just going with a bare face again. So I draw this really thin line upwards and I'm just starting with the middle of my eyelash line and going outwards. Then I'm interconnecting it towards my lash line. Again I'm just making it a bit thicker. Now I'm making a really thin line towards my inner corners, as you can see, and I'm connecting it with the middle lash line. I'm just making now a V shape in my inner corners, creating a really thin line inwards. Now I'm connecting the same line towards my lower lash line, as you can see. Go inwards and this is how it looks. I'm just connecting my wing a bit, as you can see, and this is the final look. So guys, this is the cat eyes look and my eyes are looking very dramatic. You can create this eyeliner look on any special occasion and you will definitely caught everyone's attention.
So this is it for today's video guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon that you will never miss out any of my videos. Whenever I will post my videos, you will get notified.